dito ah.
Kasi parang dami mong pinagdaanan po nung nasa US po ako kasi I grew up around such a community and like I was like one of the only Filipinos in my town. Tapos parang naalala ko I got rejected so many times and like I got into arguments with producers. Actually, I was like 9 years old. I got into a whole legal like thing. That's parang I vowed to myself that I would never do music again after that. Kasi parang nasaktan ako. So the fact that pero the fact that I'm pinush ko talaga sarili ko and sabi ko sa sarili ko na if I really want this, kakayanin mo lahat. Tapos kinahin ko po and now we're here. And we've done so much pero dahil pang kailangan kong pagdaanan, so I'm super excited for the rest of the journey po.